Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to go over this TOUGHBUILT Technician 10 pocket pouch large pouch. And there it is. I mean, it's pretty nice. There's a strap here that you can loosen up to let your tools drop a little farther down. This pouch is pretty narrow, like a needle nose, channel locks, snips would go good in there. This is perfect for screwdrivers and other things. Let me kind of throw some stuff that might seem like it goes together for a job and show you guys how that actually works out. Okay, so this is my ICC Easy Crimp. It's got an adapter, Easy and HD. That slips in there pretty nice, actually. You know what? This could actually go here or there. I can slip right in there. Reamer, found it goes pretty nice right there. Let's do RJ45 crimper. Let's do these new Klein compression crimper up in the front. I was hoping it would slide in one of those, but sadly it doesn't. I also have another compression, my old go-to. Actually, it adds a lot of weight to the pouch. It's heavy, but it works every single time. Let's see, some crimpers. Stick that right there. Some lineman strippers right there. A 15-in-1 classic Klein right there. I mean, not bad. It has some clip-on points right there. Whoa. So the butt set could be hung right there. It's got that clip-on system, and let's kind of just see what else we can clip on. Nibu, sick. Whoa. Very slim. Magnet on the bottom. I got two of these, 500 lumens, rechargeable port. Pretty nice. Okay, let's empty this thing out. And you know what? This is honestly my everyday carry right here. This is mostly what I need all the time. 6-in-1, I think. 5-in-1. And I stick with the 5-in-1 instead of 11-in-1. 11-in-1's cool. I'd have more tools on me because I'd have all those additional bits and sockets that are associated with it. But the bits get lost all the time. This one, bits are nice and long. They stick in there. It's just annoying to keep buying those 11-in-1. Sometimes I do switch back, but for the most part, 5-in-1. This is my everyday carry. I could even, you know, clip that onto the pouch or squeeze that probably in between one of these loopholes. Let's empty this out. See what else we be able to do. Oh, there's these, the half footers if you need them. Pull them out. Let's get that screwdriver out. Get that out, and let's just say we're doing more electrical for the day. Here's my Klein linesman. Just stick that in there. My dikes, my Crimp channel locks go there. You drop in the side. Can even put this in the back. Put that in the front. Let's just keep going. See what else we can put in here. Number 2 square. What I like too is all the screwdrivers seem to just slip down snugly in there. And some smaller channel locks. Hot stick. Very, very, very versatile. Awesome pouch. I didn't know what to expect when I got it. I know you look online and you try to picture how big, and you know, basically would these tools, I mean, that was my main concern, would these tools fit in there, and they do. So yeah, I just wanted to go over this. This is a really, really cool pouch. That's the pouch. Got it from Amazon. I don't think it was I mean, these pouches are at a really good price, so I would highly recommend these.